Oh, just relax and tell me about it.
I have this feeling no one understands what I can offer.
And what can you offer?
Why, more value for the money, and this year up to 20% more economy.
Tell the truth now.
It's because of my Hemi.
Your Hemi?
My all-new six-cylinder engine has hemispherical combustion chambers. I perform like a V8.
Superiority complex.
And I keep having this dream.
Tell me about it.
I'm in the showroom, and these wonderful people can't believe I can offer so much for so little. Suddenly, Sterling Moss is there.
Very interesting.
He explains my Hemi engine, my 21 safety features. He demonstrates my handling qualities, my torsion bar suspension. They see that I'm the right buy for all the right reasons. But just as I'm about to be sold, I wake up.
I think I can explain your superiority complex.
Yes?
You are superior.
For all the right reasons.
This is Sterling Moss. I don't race anymore, but cars are still my business. I'm still impressed by what makes one car superior to another. This year, the new Valiant is superior because of its all-new Hemi engine. It's got 6 hemispherical combustion chambers to give you up to 20% more economy, plus the performance of a V8. So this year, think Valiant for all the right reasons.
For all the right reasons.
Sterling Moss, a legend in his own time.
I don't race anymore, but cars are still my business. I'm still impressed by what makes one car superior to another. Now this car's superior. It's the new Valiant. It's superior because of its all-new Hemi engine. You see, it's an engine with 6 hemispherical combustion chambers. These allow petrol to burn more completely, so you can get up to 20% more economy, plus the performance of a V8. I can go on and on about the safety features, torsion bar suspension, the styling that doesn't lose its value when you trade, all sorts of reasons. But see your Valiant dealer. Let him show you all the right reasons.
For all the right reasons.
Australia, I'm proud to bring you the big news for 1970 in the automotive field. Imagine, if you will, an engine that gives you up to 20% more economy. Imagine a high-output 6-cylinder engine that performs like a V8. This is it. We call it the Hemi, and here's the heart of the matter. Hemispherical combustion chambers that burn petrol more completely, and therefore more efficiently. This revolutionary engine design is exclusive this year in all new Valiants, a line of motor cars made for all the right reasons. Reasons like value, performance, style, safety, comfort, and the rightest reason of all, Hemi economy. From the home of the Hemi, this is Sterling Moss, inviting you to see your Valiant dealer for all the right reasons.